What's going on? Welcome to Classy Tacos. I'm gonna do a little night shoot today. We're gonna put in the Meso Stage 1 Total Tail Light Kit. So I wanted to do it at night and I'll give you an idea of the both. I also recorded like a quick video of me going into reverse in like a dark spot of my backyard, kind of to get in my backyard. So I did it once with the stock reverse lights, and then we're gonna do it again after these are up, and I'll show you the difference between the two. So what I'm gonna end up doing is just doing the driver's side first and then kind of work through the lights so you guys can see them both at the same time and you guys can see the differences, all right? So let me just show you what you get in the Stage 1 kit. So bulbs right here, these two connections right here are gonna go into what your reverse is right now, and those turn into reverse and turn signal. So it moves the turn signal from here into down here, and then that's your plug and play wire harness. So let's just hop into this right here. All you're doing is just taking off this bottom one and this one right here. Hey, don't forget to pop these off, right? Sometimes it gets a little rough to get these off. Yeah, fellas, this one's stuck. Oof. That was in there good. Okay. We take our harness. Line them up. Heads up here, the pins inside the connection plug had to be tweaked on both sides just to make them plug in just right. Alright. So harness is all plugged in. Gonna take this guy right here. Put him into right here. There's a little notch where they gotta go. Get that screwed in. Awesome. So this one now is your bottom one here. You can see there's little notches on here, so you'll be able to just get it in there and lock it in. Look at the quality on those. Good quality right there. Plug that in. Plug that in. Perfect. That one's in. That one's in, and then just, corresponding hits. Just go ahead, plug them in. Alright, let's get everything tucked back in here. Pop this back in. There we go. Brake lights, reverse lights, new turn signals and hazards, Alright, so before we call it, I'm going to take a quick drive back to that same spot in my backyard where it's super dark, and we're going to run it with these reverse lights in our camera and see if it looks a lot brighter. Just like that, Meso Stage 1 kit is done. Hope you guys enjoy the video. Hit that like and subscribe. You guys stay safe out there.